The next thing I'm going to show you in your bag is we made some counting sticks. They go up to the number 5. We generally start with the number 3 because not only are we looking for the one-to-one correspondence, we're looking to see if the child understands the quantity of that number. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to start with our number 1 stick. Let me tilt this a little. I'm going to put the stick down. Okay, what do you see on this stick?
I see one green dot.
Can you put one green pom-pom on there? How many pom-poms are on there?
1.
Point to it and count it for me.
1.
Okay, so she understands there's 1. So I'm going to take this one away. Then I'm going to move to the number 2. And it's okay. They don't have to use the pom-poms that are of this color. They could use whatever color they want. They can take out the little counting bears that I gave you. So, yes. So we're going to use the bears on this one just for something different. Okay. I want you to put a bear on each dot. Can you point to, let's turn it this way. This is better. When we count, let's always turn it sideways so we're going left to right as we do when we read. Can you point to and count each bear?
1, 2.
How many bears do you have altogether?
I have 2 bears.
So if your child does 1, 2, they understand that 2 and the quantity of 2. So then we're going to move on. And let's use the pom-poms for this. Okay. We're going to do 3 now. And this time, let's pretend that when you count, you don't understand it. So I can explain what's next. So, put a pom-pom on each circle.
1.
Don't count as you go. Just put them on, okay, first. So just put them on each one. Now, always have them point to and count. So point to and count each one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, some of your children will count really fast like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then that's when you say, go back and touch and count each one. So now touch and count.
1, 2, 3.
How many do you have all together? Now, don't know this. Say, go back and recount.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oftentimes, this is what will happen. Once the number gets bigger, you say point to and touch. 1, 2, 3. How many do you have all together? And they'll go 1, 2, 3 and look at you like, come on, I'm telling you 1, 2, 3. But they're not understanding that it's 3 as a whole. So if you've mastered 2, but you're stuck on 3, keep practicing. Once they understand that they have 3 total, move on to 4. The next thing I'm going to do, we're going to keep this one going and do a patterning stick. So you have patterning sticks in your bag. Your sticks will have a question mark at the end, and that's asking what comes next. You need to first be able to master that one-to-one correspondence before you do the patterning stick. Once they understand, pointing to, counting, we can move on to this. Patterning is an important math skill because it teaches your children that there is something's going to happen next. You're doing prediction, you're doing observation. So let's go ahead and pattern this. So put a matching pom-pom on each sticker. So in this case, we're doing blue and orange. So we'll put a blue pom-pom, then an orange pom-pom. Blue, orange. Blue, orange. What comes next?
Blue.
Let's put it there and see. Sometimes they may not know. They might come up with a total random color, or they might say orange again. So then we're going to go back and just keep talking it. Let's see. You have blue, orange, blue, orange, blue, orange, blue. If they got this, then say, what comes next? And you should have enough extra pom-poms to continue the pattern a couple more times.
Orange.
Perfect. And what would come after the orange?
Blue.
Blue. If your child does not have this skill set yet, totally developmentally appropriate, we got to get through the one-to-one correspondence, to continue with this.